Hey, what's up guys, Wade here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to relink your missing files inside of Final Cut. This can be one of the scariest things you'd ever see when you open a Final Cut library. As you can see, I have tons of files in here from something I shot over the weekend, and all of them are gone. Gone, in quotes. But let me show you how to relink them. Some very key things you need to know is, yes, you need to have the files somewhere else locally, on a hard drive or a flash drive or something, and they actually all do need to be named the same thing. I've gotten bitten by that before too, where I've renamed all the files on a drive and then try to relink them and they won't relink. So really simple. Go to really simple to relink. Let me just show you. Go to File, hit Relink Files. Go to actually, what you want to do first, you want to highlight all these files, and then go to Relink Files, and then you want to hit Locate All. And then you want to go to the folders that it's in. So I know that all these files are in this interviews folder. So when I click it, you see it says 135 out of 135 files found. I hit choose, and it's going to take a second. And then once that's done, you'll see it says it's matched 135 out of 135 files. And I hit relink. And then watch the magic happen. It's really nice and easy. As I mentioned, they all need to have the same name when you're doing this. It can get really scary if they're not named the same. You can actually go back into your hard drive and rename them whatever they are in Final Cut, and they'll pop up. But as you can see, once it's done, there come all my files. And you can see all those error messages went away over here. So don't worry, don't fear. If you do need to relink a file, there definitely is a way to get it. That's probably the fastest way. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you got any other questions, just let me know. Thanks.